Hey guys, I'm Yene. Wow, it's been a long time I didn't upload anything. I'm back to talk about the new updates on Procreate 5.2. Let's get right into it. We're going to start with the 3D objects, how to paint, how to manage the lighting, how to bring it into the real world. Go on the Actions menu, click on Help, and click on What's New. And we're going to download the model pack. It takes a lot of time, so I will just fast forward. To see the pack, you have to go on the gallery. Oh wow, we're going to use the soda can. I can move it like this. Cool. Let's move to the layers. You will see at the end, base layer. You click on the little cube over here. You will see color, roughness, metallic. Before to paint, I'm going to change my brush. I choose airbrushing. I select color before to start painting. I'm using airbrushing because this is what I like, but you can choose any brush you want. Let's check the roughness. Oh, good, I can feel some texture. Let's check the metallic feature. You can see here it's already metallic, and when I change the colors, it will always stay on the metallic side. Oh, I'm going to change the brush again. Okay, I really don't like this color. Let's undo all of this and let's see how to insert a picture or photo and work with it on the 3D object. So you go to Action menu, you click on Insert File or Photo, and now this is our file. As you can see, there is two squares and a circle in the middle. We're going to use them to scale the file. When you use the circle in the middle, you will see that. Cool, right? I really don't like the empty space over there, so I'm going to click on projection and increase the projection. It's better. Let's scale a bit again. Notice the light. We're going to see next how to manage it. Go on the Actions menu. You will see 3D. You click on it. And then you will see Edit Lighting and Environment. And you click. Oh wow. Even when I turn, you can see the difference in the lighting. Let's work on the environment. You can make the exposure super light, or super dark. You can change it to savage, auditorium, city, nightlife, roadside, industrial, sunrise, beach, mountain, daytime. I chose auditorium. Click on the white cube and manage the light settings. You will see a light here when I move this cube. It's the same for the other cube. You will see different kind of light. That's so cool. I can move it around like this. Click done and go back on the canvas. You can change the perspective of your drawing if you want over here. We want to see this object into the real world. Go on the Action menu and you click on 3D and View in AR, Alternate Reality. Click on it. Wait. Click on the icon over here. Save to Files, iCloud or iPad, and you go back where you saved the file. You click on it and you follow the instruction on the screen. Cool, right? You can try different angle to see what works better for you. I really wish that they had some t-shirts, some boxes, but you know, maybe in the future. You can of course save it as a PNG, but here I'm going to save it as an animated GIF. I really don't like how it looks like, so I'm going back to the canvas and I'm going to import again the same file and scale it. It's better, guys. Go back on actions, share, animated GIF, and then you can manage all the settings over here. You can also turn off show environment and you will not see again the pink background. Animated rotate or swing, which is better? Okay, let's export this. Save to file. Let's move on to the next feature. Click on adjustment, it's near the action menu. We will choose use saturation, brightness. You can play with the colors. It will directly apply these colors on the layer. It's not like before where you had to choose between the pencil and the layer. Let's choose another one, glitch. You can see here 0%, slide to adjust. Slide. Oh wow, that's really cool. As you can see here, I'm working with a ton of layers, but I only selected one. So the adjustments will only work on this layer. Now let's talk about brushes. There is an update. They call it brush memory size. So after taking a while to find the perfect size and opacity, when you close Procreate and you come back, you have to redo it again. Duh. But now with the brush memory, you won't. So how does it work? Really easy. Click on the opacity you want to save. You will see a window. Click on the plus and that's it. You will see a little bar. Oh my gosh, I literally saved 100%. We will do another example so you guys can see. So 76 plus and you will see another bar. So you can save multiple opacity as you can see. We will do the same for the size. Let's go back on gallery, open a new canvas, and usually it will be like this, but now with a bar, it's really easy to go back to your old settings, and voila, the brush memory size is really good. There is another feature on the brushes, but this time we will go on the brush library here. So before it was favorited, but now you will have the feature recent. So basically you will see all the brushes you used here, but after a while you will see a lot of brushes here, so you can pin what you like to use the most. Just slide and pin and it will go on the top. This right there is a bit confusing for me because I already use favorited to put all the brushes I like. So why would I use pin again to put them on the top if I had them on my favorited section? Anyways, let's see another feature on the brush studio. Click here. The stabilization. Now they have a whole menu for that. You can directly modify the brush here and see how it will look like. So it will automatically save it. Cancel. I don't want that. Pressure. Did you notice the difference, guys? It's not shaky anymore. It's like so smooth. Oh wow. Let's cancel it. I don't want to change anything. And motion filtering. Oh wow. Oh. Just wow. You know guys, you can save all the settings you want your brush to have. Just go on the action tools here and click on prefs, and then you can click on pressure and smoothing here. Manage the settings as you wish. They also have a new feature, materials. Let's check the material feature with this brush. Okay, so yeah, you can click here 3D preview. So basically the materials feature will help you color on a 3D object, so metallic, the roughness, and change it. You can play with that and see what you like. Let's check other features like the feedback sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Help. You click on advanced settings. Activate single touch gestures companion. And let's go back to Procreate. You will then see this bar. Let's click on zoom. That's cool. Oh, okay, you can undo, redo. You have the same here. Fit canvas. Cool. Move. Let's go back on help and advanced settings. So now we will check the color description notification and the feedback sound. Let's go back on Procreate. Now you will definitely hear some sound. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. Guys, definitely the sound is pretty annoying. The feedback sound. So we are on the color description notification. So now you click here. You can choose any color you want. The name is right there. Let's go on the color palette. There is a new here on palette, and you will see the card here. See compact card. It's a new feature. You click on it and you will see the card and the colors. Now let's talk about, you go on the actions menu here in canvas, and you will see page assist, and you will see this bar here. I only have one layer, so if I decide to do another layer, it will come directly here. That's cool because you can see whatever you're doing instead of going here to see your layers. You will see all the layers here, so it's cool if you're doing storyboard, comic book. There is a new update you can share as a PDF. It will take all the pages. That's really cool. You can choose what quality you want, good, better, or best. Guys, which feature did you like the most? Oh wow, if you made it here, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in my next video.